Hello driving intelligence community. What you just heard was a horribly worn timing set on my 2002 F-150 with a 5.4 engine. It has 217,000 miles on it, and when you start it up in cold weather, I'm just noticing it's now in the recent cold weather for this winter that it's making a lot of noise. That chain is just whacking the probably the tension guides and hopefully not the case, but it's something that I want to get done quickly. So this video is just in prep for getting the parts and getting started on this project, but I wanted you to hear what it sounds like and some of the investigation that I've done to find the appropriate parts. And if you listen to the end, you'll see how the engine quiets down, so it's not bad at all when you've driven for a while and the engine gets nice and hot. It's just at startup. Thanks for watching. So after doing my research, I've come to the conclusion that I want to put melling in my truck, both the timing sets and the oil pump. But I'm going to do an upgrade. I want to make sure that I get a high volume oil pump, especially since the vehicle's got 217,000 miles of wear on it. The high volume should assist with that. That's a direct replacement. And I'm also getting the melling system that uses the cast iron tensioners. So this stuff is a little bit pricier. You can see here that it's about $116 from Amazon for the oil pump and $223 for the timing set. But you don't want to have to do this more than once, and you want to make sure that you don't have any fail issues. So I'm buying the highest quality I can buy because I don't want to have to do this again. I hope that these parts will last the rest of the life of this truck.